Did you know lava can be super fast? It's Earth's fiery river, and it can hit speeds of 40 miles per hour. That's faster than most humans can run. Imagine escaping a river of molten rock at 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,200 degrees Celsius. You're sprinting for your life, but this blazing beast is closing in fast. Even Usain Bolt couldn't outrun it. Luckily, most lava flows are slower, like a jog. But sometimes it surges like a race car. So, next time you're near a volcano, don't test your speed against lava. Appreciate it from a safe distance. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring. Like and subscribe for more content.